For this lesson, we are going to be going over how to find an equation of a line given a point and a slope. So for this first one, we have our slope is -1/5. So as a reminder, we're talking about the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So don't forget, slope means a rate of change. So rise over run, a change in y over a change in x. While our y-intercept is the starting value that we're looking at. So for this, right now, all I can say is I have y equals -1/5 x plus b, and I'm kind of stuck from there, which doesn't really help me. But I can use a point to help us find what my y-intercept is. So given my point, -5, 4, I'm going to plug this in for x and y. So remember, this is our x value, and this is our y value. So from here, I have 4 equals -1/5 times -5, and I'm going to put it over 1 just because we have this as a fraction. It's nice to see this as a fraction too. And then plus b. From there, I'm going to multiply this together. So if I multiply straight across, we get 4 equals negative times -5, right? -1 times -5. And then 5 times 1 is 5 plus b. So a negative times a negative gives us a positive, which means I have 5/5. So I can simplify that to be 1. So now I'm just going to solve for b. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and that means that b is equal to 3. So now I can say that my equation of the line is y equals -1/5 x plus 3. So that's our first example. Here's another example for you just in case. So for here, our slope is 3. That's my m. So y equals 3x plus b. Again, I don't know what b is, so that means I need to use the point that I'm given in order to figure it out. So -2 is my x value. 1 is my y value. I'm going to plug these in for where y and x are here. So y is equal to 1. And then I have equals 3 times our x value, which is -2, plus b. From there, I'm going to multiply 3 times -2. So I get y1 equals -6 plus b. And then I'm going to add my 6 to both sides to get b by itself. And I find that b is equal to 7. So now I can say that y equals 3x plus 7 is going to be my equation.